Hey guys, I'm just going to show you how to change out the battery in your Mercedes key fob. Super simple and you don't need any tools. This particular video is for the 2-button remote, but it's the exact same steps if you have the 3-button version. The only things you're going to need are the key fob itself and a replacement battery. This battery is the CR2025 version, so make sure you get that right size. To switch out the battery, we'll first remove the emergency key, which is pulling back this tab here, and it raises the key ever so slightly, allowing you to slide it up and out. Then if you look inside the back panel here, it's connected to a small tab on the inside that you can just see in this gap. If you take the emergency key, turn it upside down and then slide it back into it in the wrong position, applying some light firm pressure, it will pop that back panel open. With the back panel slightly ajar, you're able to finish prying it open with your fingers like this. That exposes the battery, which is connected in here, and you could use a small screwdriver to help you pry this out, but you don't even need a tool. You can just turn the key fob over and give it a light but firm hit on your hand, and the battery will pop right out. Then take your replacement battery, first sliding it under this little bit of plastic and then pressing and clicking it down. To apply the back panel, you first want to put these tabs in, which just slide in the hole just here, and then you can hold it the right way around and once again just apply light firm pressure and click the back panel back into place. Finally, just slide that emergency key back in the right way around this time, and just like that it clicks into place, and there you go, your battery is replaced. Bob's your uncle, Fanny's your aunt.